If you're considering the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD, here's everything you need to know before making a decision. As a tech reviewer, I've put this monitor through its paces to see if it lives up to its impressive specs and delivers on its promises. The Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD boasts an impressive array of features that make it well suited for gamers and professionals alike. With a fast IPS panel and 1440p resolution, this monitor offers stunning visuals with deep colors and a wide color gamut. The 99% sRGB color gamut ensures that the colors you see on screen are as accurate as possible, making it ideal for graphic design, video editing, and gaming. One of the standout features of this monitor is its fast response time of just 1 millisecond. This means that motion appears smooth and seamless, even at high frame rates. The monitor also supports G-Sync compatibility, which eliminates screen tearing and provides a tear-free experience. With a refresh rate of up to 320 Hz, you can enjoy buttery smooth gameplay without any lag or stuttering. In terms of design and build quality, the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD is a sleek and modern device that looks great on any desk. The ultra-narrow bezels give it a frameless appearance, making it ideal for those who want to create a seamless gaming experience. The monitor also features a metal stand and VESA wall mountability, allowing you to easily attach it to your wall or move it around as needed. When it comes to display quality, the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD delivers. The IPS panel provides excellent color accuracy and a wide viewing angle, making it perfect for gaming and video editing. The 2560 by 1440 resolution is also well suited for this monitor, providing plenty of detail without overwhelming the senses. In everyday use, the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD performs flawlessly. The fast response time and high refresh rate ensure that motion appears smooth and seamless, even when working with high frame rate content. The monitor also features a built-in blue light reduction feature, which helps to reduce eye strain and fatigue. Connectivity-wise, the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD offers HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 interfaces, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. This includes desktop PCs, gaming laptops, consoles, and more. So, what are the main advantages and limitations of the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD? On the plus side, this monitor offers excellent display quality, fast response time, and a wide range of connectivity options. It's also well suited for both gaming and professional use cases. However, some users may find the monitor's bezels to be slightly narrow, which could be a drawback for those who prefer a more traditional monitor design. Overall, the Innocn gaming monitor 2K QHD is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality gaming monitor with impressive specs and features. While it may not be perfect, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses, making it a great option for both gamers and professionals alike. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description. As always, thanks for watching.